What are you going to do in order na maranasan yung wow life kung ikaw ay binabayo ng mga waves? There will be battles, there will be blessings, but ito ang number one natin dapat gawin. Watch over the word. Dapat ang tignan lagi, hindi yung problema. Kailangan marunong kang laging tumitig sa salita ng Diyos kasi ang salita niya ay pinapahalagahan niya. Pangalawa is walk on the word. Ang lalakaran mo dapat ngayon 2025, salita ng Diyos. Everything that you do, dapat mayroong word because you are going to walk on the word. Pag pinanghawakan mo yung salita ng Panginoon, I believe that every battle, the Lord will fight for you. Kung merong watch over the word, walk on the word of God, dapat makita natin that the word is over the winds. Mas makapangyarihan yung salita ng Lord sa mga nangyayari sa atin. He is sending a message. Kita niyo yung kinakatakutan niyo? Nasa ilalim lang ng paa ko. Yung lahat ng kinakatakutan niyo is just under my feet because I am the word and the word is over the winds, over the waters. Who believes that our God is greater than the problems that we face?